Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can record your Roku TV stick on your computer, PC or Mac. So no matter which app you open, which movie, which TV shows you're watching here on your TV, well, you'll be able to record it directly on your computer. Let me show you how. So for this video, what we need is obviously your Roku stick, a video capture card. This is one of the cheapest on the market, and I'll put a link towards Amazon if you don't already have one. It's virtually something where we're gonna connect the Roku stick to it, and we'll be able to record using a computer, Mac or PC. I have a Mac here, but the same thing will apply to a PC, what I will show you in a few seconds. So let me show you how everything works. This video capture card, and most of them that are on the market right now, will have two HDMI ports, one output and one input. We need to plug the Roku stick in the input. This is what will get recorded, everything that is connected in the input. The output is to connect an HDMI cable to your TV. This way you can see what is recorded. I mean, you will also see it on your computer, but it's also nice to see it on a full-size screen, like a TV. So, okay, I'll connect the Roku stick over here in the input. The Roku stick needs power to work, as we all know, so I will connect the USB cable that comes included with it, and we'll have to connect it to power, so just take any USB charger, connect it to it. So great. Next, we're going to take an HDMI cable and we're going to connect it in the output. And the other end of this HDMI cable, we'll connect it in the back of our TV. This TV has two HDMIs, doesn't matter which one you pick, just to remember the number. Here is HDMI 1 on the top, therefore I'll connect HDMI 1, and on my TV, let me turn it on, I will also select HDMI 1 to be able to see what's on my Roku stick. Next, we're going to take the USB cable that comes included with your capture card. We're going to connect it in the USB port. And the other end, we're going to connect it to your computer, PC or Mac. So as you see on my TV right now, I can see the Roku stick because I have connected it using the HDMI cable. So how do you record this on your computer? If you see a message appearing asking you if you want to allow your capture card, click on Allow. Next, we need to download a software called OBS. It's free, and honestly, it's the best for this purpose. So I'll open Safari. I'll type on the top over here on the search bar OBS Studio. Click on Download. Select the Apple logo. Go down, and here we have two choices. The download installer if you have an Apple computer using an Intel processor, or if you have one with a silicone chip, Apple silicone, click on the second option, and this is what I will do. Click Allow. Okay, it's currently downloading. If I go over here, I can see it. Click on the file you just downloaded. Then we're gonna drag this OBS logo into the application folder and it will get installed. Open OBS. If you don't see it there, simply tap on the magnifying glass over here if you have a Mac, or if you have a PC. Okay, usually there's a search bar down below where you can type OBS. Once you open OBS for the first time, we need to add the video capture card. Therefore, on the left side, I'll press the plus icon and I will select video capture device. Here you can give your video capture device a name, okay, but I suggest you keep it this way. Press OK. Under device, click and select it from the list. This is mine. This is how it's called. And press OK. As you see, right now I'm seeing what's on my Roku stick. Before recording, you can change a few different things. For example, over here, if you click on Settings, you can click on Output, and you'll be able to select in which folder you want the recording to go, and also in which format you want it to be recorded. If you click on Audio, over here, where you see Mic Auxiliary Audio, click and select your video capture card to record the audio from the Roku stick. If you want to add a commentary, let's say you want to use the mic of your computer to talk over whatever is recording, you can also select your microphone, your internal microphone here, but I don't want that, so I'll just select the audio from the video capture card. You can also click on video and select in which resolution you want to record. Press OK. As you see, this is the the audio that is coming out of the Roku TV. Press on Start Recording, and you have a small number over here that goes up telling you that it's currently recording. Once you are done, you can simply click on Stop Recording. I have selected to go on my desktop, so here we go, and I will have the recording. So at this point, when you press Start Recording, you can go on your Roku, open whatever you want to record, Netflix or any other streaming app, open your movie and press Start Recording, and you'll be able to record whatever is on your Roku TV, on your Roku stick this way. No matter which app it is, you're going to record it on your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check my Amazon links if you want to get a video capture card.